Hey, my name is Krath, and I help video editors go from broke to paid as fast as possible. And today I'm talking to you about how I was losing out on money and I didn't even realize it. You see, I've been creating online since 2018. And one of the first ways I started to create online and monetize was through a blog on medium.com. It's a simple website where people pay a membership, $5 a month, and that membership of what you read gets added into somebody else's pot so they can get paid out for the work they do. It's pretty simple. There's no ads on the platform. This is one of the things that actually gravitated me to the platform, is that it was membership only for writing. And writing was one of the first ways that I, as a creator, really got into this habit of creating. But I ran into a problem this year with my blog while I was working on my taxes. I came to this realization: I hadn't been paid all of 2023. Now, let's back up 2 seconds here. I hadn't been paid all of 2023 because my money was sitting in an account on Stripe Express, just sitting there, not being used for anything, not going into anything. And I didn't realize it because, quite honestly, the payments for my blog are so small these days, and I don't tend to notice it. And it goes into an account that I don't touch all year long. And so I'm never looking at that account. It just kind of sits there, and its sole purpose is to collect my payment from Medium. And then when I check the account and there's no money in there, I'm deeply shocked. Well, turns out my debit card connected to my Stripe Express account expired. And I, the idiot, didn't go in and update my Stripe Express account, which led to this problem of, I had money sitting in there that I didn't collect for all of 2023. So now my 2023 numbers are going to look stupid low. My 2024 numbers are going to look stupid high. And it's fine. It's whatever. Need to talk to my accountant about it. I don't even know if that's how I can actually process it. But it was just one of those things where, as I was doing it, I kind of chuckled and laughed because I made a huge mistake. This money that's on autopilot to go into this account was sitting in another account where it couldn't earn interest, where it couldn't be invested, where it couldn't do anything, because it was just sitting. And for lack of a better word, escrow, not doing anything for me. It was just hanging out in the ethereal plane of existence, right? And as I processed through this, I realized one deeply important lesson. Check every account where your money goes. Every account, every payment account that you have access to online, make sure you know when that money is coming to you and how fast that money is coming to you. Check it on a monthly basis. I now have a new rhythm where I'm going to check my account on a monthly basis because I never want to be in this position ever again where I am losing money, right? Or my money isn't working for me because I don't know that it's not going into a proper account. Now I know, hey, it's going into a proper account. We're going to fix it for the rest of the year moving forward, and it's going to be a-okay. But for now, man, big lesson. Make sure you're not losing out on money. Make sure you know your payment portals are all up to date. Make sure your payment info to get paid out by these companies are all up to date so that you don't end up broke. And hey, if you don't want to end up broke, do yourself a favor and keep learning by clicking right here.